This colorful cube wasn't just a toy, it was a geometry lesson gone viral. In 1974, Hungarian professor Erno Rubik created this cube to teach 3D geometry. But he didn't expect it to become a global obsession. By 1980, over 300 million cubes had been sold. And soon, speed cubing competitions began, with people solving it in under 20 seconds. Today's world record? Just 3.13 seconds, faster than a blink. And an AI robot solved it in only 0.38 seconds. From a classroom tool to a global phenomenon, the Rubik's Cube is a mix of art, logic, and speed. How fast can you solve a Rubik's Cube? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell!